name is Michael Gerthy. I'm with Dartican. And Dartican's a company that has software for human resource professionals. We specialize in compensation area, everything from market pricing through compensation planning.
Currently here at Rowan, we've been using Dartican for the last 5 years. Prior to Rowan, I used Dartican for 3 years at my prior employer.
We use Dartican to provide us with a compensation planning tool that we use for planning salary increases.
We like it. We like it a lot. The leadership likes it that's involved in making the decisions, and we plan to continue to use Dartican. It's very efficient, effective, and it's worth the money that we spend for it each year.
I think it's a tremendously scalable tool. I've used the tool in a global organization where we had presence in a number of countries internationally, so I know that it's able to scale its footprint relatively easily.
My initial impression was that it was designed by somebody that had been in the compensation profession. Last year we built a tool in-house, and it was very tedious to try to explain to my technology department exactly what I needed the tool to do. So using the Dartican tool, using CompAccelerator, I could tell it was built by somebody that had a firm grasp on what compensation professionals need in a salary planning tool.
We wanted to make it something that we wanted to use. We knew where the headaches were when we were on the other side of the desk. And so what we created is something that flows very well and limits the number of people you have to involve in the process.
It saves me time, so efficiency, and it saves me resources.
I've worked in other organizations and I'm pretty familiar with some of the compensation planning capabilities of some of the big HR management systems. What I really liked about the Dartican tool was it's relatively inexpensive. It's a good point of entry from a cost perspective. For my organization, it was really super easy to integrate into my existing HRMS environment, and it didn't require any IT intervention to set up or maintain.
When they told me when we were implementing that it was going to be a 1 or 2 week implementation and you'd be on the, I didn't believe them. I've been implementing systems for years. And everybody thinks their tool is the easiest tool to implement. Dartican actually delivers on that. It was very simple, a couple of half-day sessions, and we were up and running with a fully loaded tool. To put that in perspective, I've got another HR system that we're implementing, and it's been ongoing for months to get to the point we're already at with Dartican.
The reporting capabilities are incredibly flexible and great for senior management.
What I find about Dartican that I like the most is its flexibility.
One of my favorite things about Dartican is how configurable and customizable it is.
We have full support from the Dartican team. They're there for us 24/7 to help us if any issues come up.
The attentiveness of Mike and his team to every question I have had has just been fabulous.
Without Dartican, I would be lost in spreadsheets.
I would highly recommend the Dartican compensation planning tool.
The thought of doing my job without Dartican makes me want to jump out the window.
And it just comes at a really great cost point.
Use this information here on the screen to contact me personally. We'll arrange a time to show you the software, walk you through it, and see if it's a good fit. Thank you for watching. I look forward to hearing from you.